Welcome to the Roadrunner Scooters YouTube channel. In this video we will be showing you how to replace your electric scooter's controller. The process of changing an electric scooter's controller can be a bit hard, but we found a way to simplify it just for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. Have any questions? Leave them in the comment section below. First of all, here are all the tools we'll be using. Here is an electrical tape, a full set of Allen keys or hex bits, your multi-tool and a sharp knife. You will also need a sturdy box or a lift table like we have here. This will make things a lot easier. Now let's get started. Lift your scooter and remove the deck cover. If you don't know how to remove the deck cover, we have a separate video on that on our channel. You will find the link in the description. Remove the deck cover and the rubber gasket. Next, this is very important, disconnect the two yellow battery connectors attached to the battery. Now separate two controllers by cutting the tape around them. Today we are working with a B controller, which is the rear motor controller. A controller is for the front motor. Please don't remove the thermal paste on the controller's base. We will need that when reinstalling the new controller. Now find the rear motor wire that goes along your battery here. Next, you'll need to find the point where the motor connects to the controller. There are three color wires. You have the blue, green and yellow. Now pull aside those rubber protectors attached to the three colored wires. Next, you'll need to remove the electrical tape from the wire connectors. Again, you really need to do this gently and with precision. Any wrong move and you can damage any of the wires by cutting them through. Using our sharp utility knife, we are now slowly cutting away the black tape around the wire connectors. There should also be a white motor connector, along with 4 black plug-and-play connectors. Disconnect them all. The black connectors are all of different sizes, so it's not possible for you to connect them in a wrong way. This means that you don't have to worry about memorizing the colors of the wires. Once you're ready to install the new controller, you'll find it easy to match them later on based on their sizes. There might be some pieces of liquid electric tape on the wire connectors. Gently and slowly remove all that from the connectors. There is no need to rush. That's it, we have disconnected the B controller. We're moving closer to the finishing point. You've been doing great. Now take your new controller and connect it exactly like the old one. First, reconnect the 4 black plug-and-play connectors, then the white plug-and-play connector, and now grab the 3 colored wires and attach them to their colored counterparts: yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and green to green. Now give all 3 color connectors a gentle squeeze with your pliers. For safety reasons, you should cover all 3 connectors with an electrical tape. Next, cut 3 pieces of electrical tape. Be sure to completely cover all these connectors. None of them should be left exposed. Now move the rubber covers exactly to the middle of the wire connectors like we have here. And before closing the deck, you'll need to check if the motor is running fine. To do that, reconnect the battery. Then turn on your scooter and press the throttle. As you can see, the motor is running fine, which means all connections are good. Yep, it's time to organize the wires and tape the A and B controllers together with electrical tape. Before closing the deck, make sure to inspect all wires and connections to ensure that no wire is pinched, disconnected or exposed. You'll need to reconnect the battery as well. And now proceed to closing the deck. Oh yeah, there is one important topic we should quickly touch. We'll show you how to work with your A controller. Everything is basically the same like with the rear controller. The only difference is that you'll need to work with the A controller and its wires that go to the front motor. One final thing, before you take your scooter out for a ride, remember to double check that all bolts and nuts are well tightened. And that concludes our tutorial video on the process of uninstalling and reinstalling your scooter's controller. The process is quite lengthy and it requires patience plus precision, but we hope you found our simplified process breakdown helpful. If you need replacement parts for your scooter, RoadrunnerScooters.com got you covered. We have organized all parts according to their scooter model, so it's super easy to find and purchase the parts you need for any Nanrobot model. If you have any questions about our products, please contact our customer service at info@roadrunnerscooters.com. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Roadrunner Scooters. See you in our next videos.